Today I am going to share a perfect TradingView strategy that works in all markets and is suitable for small traders as well. So without any further late, let's dive in. But before that, let me show you how this strategy works. Trading is all about knowing when to enter and exit a trade, and with the help of these indicators, predicting the trend can become even easier. So without any further late, let's see our today's strategy. But before that, let me tell you what you will see in this video. First, 2 best indicators. Second, its most profitable settings. Third, strategy. Fourth, which time frame and where to set your take profit and stop loss. Fifth, some examples of how it works. So watch till end to know everything about this strategy. Okay then, let's begin. So first, let's add our first indicator, EMA. It's a very popular indicator that we are going to use today to know the momentum of the market. Add that indicator and change its length to 100 in settings like this. Now, I know you probably know how EMA works, but just to be clear, let me explain it. So to get into a good trade, go long when the price is above the EMA line and go short when the price is below the EMA line. Okay, now let's add our second indicator, which is called Super Tracks. Add that indicator and change its settings exactly as shown in this video. Okay, now how to read this indicator? So go long when the super text line turns green and go short when the super text line turns red. And remember, don't get into the trade as soon as the line changes its color. Wait for at least 2 to 3 candles to confirm. Okay, great. Now our whole trading setup is complete. Now let's talk about our strategy. So to get into a profitable buy trade, make sure that the price is above the EMA line and the super text line is in green color. If all of these conditions are met, we can enter into a buy trade. Now to get into a profitable sell trade, make sure that the price is below the EMA line and the super text line is in red color. If all of these conditions are met, we can enter into a sell trade. And keep in mind, as I told you before, don't get into the trade as soon as the conditions are met. Wait for at least 2 to 3 candles to confirm. Now before I show you some examples, let me tell you which time frame works best. So normally it works best in all time frames, but it gives even better signals in higher time frame. Now, where to set your take profit and stop loss? You can set your take profit and stop loss near key levels or support and resistance or whatever you use. Or if you want a specific risk to reward ratio, then you can try 1:1.5 or 1:2 depending on the market. Okay, now let's see how this whole strategy works. Please like this video if you found this strategy helpful and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so you can be the first one to know my next profitable strategy. And I will see you in the next one.